Video, magsusolve tayo guys ng isang series RLC circuit. Pinapanap yung impedance ng circuit, resonant frequency, voltage across mga elements ng resistor, inductor, tsaka capacitor, tsaka yung power consume ng buong circuit. For A, sabihin na natin solution part ito. Solution, Z is equal to square root lang siya ng R square plus inductive reactance minus inductive capacitance squared. So, kailangan muna natin itong makuha. Formula lang naman ng mga yan is XL is equal to 2 pi FL, given naman lahat yan. Wait lang. Kalimutan kong ilagay ito. Dapat ito 60 Hz to. Ayan. Sige, 60 Hz na lang. XC is equal to 1 over 2 pi FC. Sige, tuloy natin yung pag-solve. XL is equal to 2 pi F ito 60 times ano yung L, 70 millihenry, tapos yung XC is equal to 1 over 2 pi 60 times 50 microfarads. Ito yung XL natin, 26.39. Ito naman yung XC natin, no? 53.05 na nalalagay ko. Ayan, dahil nakuha na natin to, pwede na natin gamitin yung formula lang nilagay ko sa taas, no? So, impedance is equal to R, 100 squared, plus 26.39 minus 53.05 squared, tapos naka-square root pa silang lahat. So, Z now is equal to, ayan, so yung impedance natin ngayon, or yung Z is 103.49. Ayan, ohms. So, 103.49 ohms. Ito na, meron tayong sagot sa A. Sa B naman tayo. B, kasya dito yung B, maiksi lang yan. Resonant frequency is equal to 1 over 2 pi square root ng LC. This is only direct substitution. 1 over 2 pi square root, nandito sa labas, square root ng L, millihenries, times C, 50 microfarads. So, FR natin is, ayun, so our resonant frequency is 85.07 Hz. 5.07 Hz. Ayan, so may sagot na tayo sa B. For letter C, yun yung mga voltages. So, V, VR, VL, and VC. VC yung hinahanap, no? Strategy ko dito, kunin muna yung IRMS. So, V is equal to IRMS times Z, no? Yung impedance. IRMS is equal lang siya sa voltage na given divided by yung impedance na nakuha natin. So, S, ayan. Para makuha siya, is equal to 30 divided by itong 103.49. So, this is ohms. This is in volts, no? So, VIRMS is equal to, ito yung value ng IRMS natin. 0.29 na lang ilalagay ko. So, this is 0.29 amperes. From here, pwede na natin kunin yung VR, which is equal to 100 yan, di ba? 100 times 0.29. Tapos VL, yung VL natin XL 23.39 times 0.29, tapos yung VC din, no, na ito 53.05 times 0.29. Meron tayong 29 volts, 7.65 volts, saka 15.38 volts. Yung letter D, try kong pagkasyahin dito. Yung letter D lang naman is power consume. So, pwede natin, ang formula lang nito is power is equal to I squared times yung R, kasi resistor lang yung nagko-consume ng power. So, 0.29 amperes squared divided by 1 times 100. So, power natin is equal to, ayan, so ito yung power natin, 8.41 watts. Actually, may isa pang formula to eh. Wait, pakita ko. Or, pwede nating gamitin din yung formula ng power na using yung voltage 30 times yung I, 0.29, times yung power factor na alam naman natin yung R, tsaka yung Z. So, pwede natin gamitin yan. So, yung R, 100 ohms, divided by yung Z natin or yung impedance natin, ito, 103.49. Dapat parehas ang sagot natin dito. Ayan, check. Ayan, no? So, ito yung lumabas sa calculator. Same lang naman yan kasi 8.41 din yan, no? 8.41 watts. Ayan. Ayan. So, same lang yung sagot, no? 8.41 watts. 8.411 yan. 8.41 watts, tas same lang din, 8.41 watts. So, yan. So, meron na tayong sagot sa lahat from A, B, C, D. Yan. Sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you for watching.